All right, welcome to one bedroom show apartment in Jumeirah Living Marina Gate Tower 3. This is a show apartment for a type 1A, however, type 1B is very similar layout. At the entrance, you have a small corridor and your kitchen can be in the right or left side, depends on the floor plan. Okay, welcome to Jumeirah Living Marina Gate. What I'm going to show you is the quality and standard of the kitchen. We have three different colors in the kitchen: brown for the food counter, white for the counter, gray for the cabinet down there, and up there white. And these cabinets also are laminated with a beautiful brown color set to the ceiling. This kitchen is fully fitted. As you can see, fridge and freezer are built in. We designed many closets and cabinets all the way from here there to the top. As you can see, we have oven, microwave lower than here, and lots of closet only to save the most of the space. All the apartments have very high ceiling. The height is about 3 meters 20 centimeters height. All the apartments, they have floor to ceiling glass that maximize the light and allows you to enjoy the view. This apartment is available on low, mid and high floors. All the one bedrooms, they have very large and decent sized bedroom. That front of the building type 1A has full marina view from the bedroom. All the apartments, even one bedrooms, they have very large bathroom, double sink, stand-up bathtub, and stand-up glass-made shower. Same quality and design will be repeated in all the 2-bedroom and 3-bedrooms as well as the studios. However, penthouses and villas have higher and different qualities. If you would like to know more about this apartment and other floor plans, just text me below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.